What's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Well, it's Tuesday, so we figured why not do a 2 for Tuesday. We're gonna do a small victory and a wheel video. I don't know, it just kind of works. So here's the deal. When we did that video with, it was Rad Tad with his 74 G20. We did the Anson Top Eliminators with the Mickey Thompson Indy Profiles. Got a lot of requests and a lot of comments and a lot of messages from you guys, whether it be on social media or YouTube, asking, hey, what kind of wheel should I get for my rig? What's right for my van? Well, dude, I gotta tell you something. I can't tell you how to dress. I can't tell you what music to like. I can't tell you what wheels to buy for your van. It's about what you like and what makes your van yours. That's what's really important. But a lot of you guys are also like, hey, I can't find anything used. There's nothing good out there. It's all junk. If you want to go spend a ton of money and break the bank on a brand new set of mags, have at it. I encourage you. That's awesome. But a lot of people aren't in that financial situation. So we found a set of 15 by 10 Cragars a while back that a lot of people passed over because they looked kind of crusty. So we're going to show you how to go from this to this using this and probably a couple of these. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. Check it out. We're gonna take one of these right here. We're gonna open this box up. Now you can get these at the grocery store for like a couple bucks, man. They're really not that expensive. S.O.S pads are gonna work great. Just do this, grab a drink of beer real fast. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Take a bucket of plain old water. We're gonna dip this into this to do this to make this look like this. So here's how it goes. Basically dip it in the water, yep. And then we're gonna start scrubbing, okay? And that's what it's gonna be like. Now we're gonna go into a time lapse because honestly this is gonna be really boring otherwise. So here we go, check it out. Okay guys, yep, so there you have it. We took that old crusty Cragar, one S.O.S pad, one beer, one microfiber, and one bucket of water. In a couple of minutes we went from that to this, which is a nice, deep, shiny mag that we can run on our van. Whether it's better than your stocker or whatever you're running at the meantime, you can do something like this for like really little to no money. These were 50 bucks on Craigslist. Super easy to find. You can look for them in the junkyard, used wheel shops, wherever. That's our suggestion to you. If you want to get some mags and you want to save some money for the time being until you can afford something better, don't look past wheels like these. They're really good. Okay, that's it guys. Another small victory. These might be going on something you might see behind me. I don't know. We'll find out soon. Anyway, we're going to get back to it. We're losing the daylight. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Check out other videos. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we really appreciate you guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Later. Diesel truck.
Da 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 da.